What's going on, guys? This is Joe again, and we are back with another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox this Mi Action Camera 4K. It's a true 4K, 2 hours battery life, 2.4 inches touchscreen, a Wi-Fi for connecting to your cell phone, and umbrella CPU. Let's open the box. Here's the camera, guys. Let's put it aside for now, and let's take a look at some accessories inside here. Manual guide, the charging cable, also warranty policy. So here's the camera. Camera is heavy, quality is very minimalistic. It has a big touchscreen at the back, 2.4 inches I think. A battery compartment here, a mount for a mini tripod or a tripod. Let's take a look at the battery inside. Here's the compartment of the battery. And make it to 2 hours of using the camera, recording. And here's a power button, the record. For the size comparison, this is a Get Up Kit 2. This is the size of a GoPro Hero 4. The Mi is larger, as you can see there. You have a GoPro Hero 4, so that's the comparison. This is also a TI T5e size comparison. Okay, let's turn on the camera and see what's inside. There. This is, I think the angle of this camera is 145 degrees. So it's not like this TI T5e. This have a 150 I think, or 170 degree. And I don't know, but it's not that fish eye, not a very fish eye looking video there. I don't know. We are going to test this if it is a wide lens. There's a lot of menus here. Video, if you want video only. To go to the menu, you have to swipe to the left. But to go back to the video, you have to swipe to the right. And then if you want to go to your gallery, I think you have to swipe from right to left, like that. And then back to video, back to the settings. Here are some settings here. Time-lapse video. We are going to test this all. Now back. Slow motion, loop record, photo and video. I think this is when you shot a video, it is also taking photos every 10 seconds. So that is a video plus photo. And if you want photo only, here it is. Timer, burst, and time-lapse photo. So we are going outside and we're going to test this camera. audio, how it performs in a windy situation, and in this gloomy day, how it produced the video. We're going to test this. There you have it, guys, the Mijia action camera 4K. I'm making this video in 1080p, but this camera is a true 4K camera. I'm using it to record this video now, and it's raining. We also have audio test for this. The camera performs well in a well-lighted condition. Also, if you're using this in a windy situation, the microphone might not perform well, but I'm testing it now without a wind. It's not windy here. Also, on the low light situation, this camera might not work that good. The video will have a lot of noise and blurriness. I think this camera is good for the money, $100. Okay guys, that's all for today, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. It's Joe here, signing out.